Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and ensuring calendar permissions are enabled so invites sync. Open Teams on desktop or web and go to Calendar. This is where link creation happens. Once done, choose whether you need an instant meeting or a scheduled event. Pick Scheduled for time, participants, and details. Make sure to select the correct team or channel if it should post there, because that determines visibility and where the meeting link will appear. You now create the event. Click New Meeting for a scheduled link or Meet Now for instant use. Add a clear title, pick date and time, and enter attendees. Adding a channel posts the link there automatically. Once attendees are listed, open meeting options to control lobby behavior, who can present, and whether attendees bypass the lobby. These settings matter because they affect security and flow. Make sure permissions match the meeting's formality, and expected. You finish by opening the event and copying the Join Microsoft Teams meeting link from the Details pane. Paste it where participants expect it: email, chat, or calendar invite. Before sending, verify time zone and attendee list to avoid confusion. If someone can't join, make sure they're using an updated Teams client and that the meeting's lobby and guest permissions allow them in. If problems persist, recreate the meeting or resend the link after adjusting permissions to resolve access errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.